Welcome to Happiness with Hema. Easy glam party bun, step by step, easy hair tutorial. Well friends, if you're looking out for some nice, elegant looking hairstyle and you don't know where to start from, this hairstyle video is just for you. And this hairstyle is for all hair types, silky or rough, medium or long. So without wasting time, let's start summer elegant hairstyle. Easy glam party bun. Well, if you feel that it's going to be hard, don't worry because I'm going to explain you all the steps. So start with taking a very small section from the front, roll it and keep it aside. Take another section, give a nice back comb with your fingers. Yes, with your fingers because finger back combing and finger combing gives a nice circulation and bounce to your hair. Now turn back and divide your hair into 3 sections. And the middle section, comb it well and secure it with a rubber band and then roll your hair neatly. That's very simple. And then watch carefully. You'll be making a loose bun like this, just rolling it like a spiral. And when it is done, then you secure that bun with the bobby pins. Remember, we are going to build everything around this bun. Okay, now when this is done, now take another section with the help of comb or your hands, knead this section. Now spread it downward, giving a nice support, making sure that it's not too tight. Roll it, take all the way till the end, not very tight again. So easy, right? And then secure the end with a bobby pin again. And now from the another side, take another section, spread it like this, take it upward, roll it and secure the end like this. So make sure we are taking the alternate sides. And now onward, we are going to take all the section only up. Roll it, secure your end with a bobby pin. Make sure you're putting your bobby pins very neatly. It should not be visible. And all your sections are not too tight but very loose and neat. Take another section upward, roll it and secure it neatly with a bobby pin. And you will notice that this pattern is giving a nice design to your bun. And now the last section, make sure you nicely knead your front, take it up and side. And if you feel that you require to pin up your side hair, you can do that and then roll your ends and secure it with a bobby pin. Make sure your bobby pins are not visible at all. And now as your bun is all set, but you still can adjust it with your fingers. Give a little spread and adjust your pins according to your comfort. And here you go, your beautiful, stylish, very glamorous party bun is ready. This is so cool and perfect for summers. And look how beautiful it is looking. And now the front hair, you can just roll and keep it like that, or you can just roll and pin up like this. It will look like front flick. Well, for today, I'm just choosing to keep it like this. Well, what do you think about this? Do like, share and subscribe. I hope you find it easy and you like it. And if your answer is yes, you can thank me later. But right now, try it right away because you try it and you know it. And yes, you're welcome to suggest me what hairstyle you would like to see next. And for now, see you later. Bye-bye.